Hey guys, welcome back. So today is going to be what I got for Christmas slash Nordstrom slash whatever else you can think of haul. I have a couple of these coming up because I have been redeeming gift cards and just using promotion codes and whatnot. The first thing is White with Style. So I got a new kit in. I love White with Style to whiten my teeth. I get a lot of questions asking what I use to whiten my teeth. But what's really great about this kit is that it retails for about $270, but if you use my coupon code, you get it for $28, which is insane because that is cheaper than the Crest white strips. So the gel tastes better, the application process is a lot cleaner, and I feel like it's faster. Like I feel like my teeth get whiter within like 1 to 2 times. It gets a little bit whiter. I love this. So it comes with a light 2 trays that activate when you put it in boiling water, and then your gel. This will last you, like, I would say, depending on how often you whiten your teeth, I would say at least a year. 6 months to a year, at least mine does with the last kit that I got. And I think that the promotion is really a good deal. Especially since professional whitening kits are hella expensive. Either you get them at the dentist office or you have to pay out the wazoo for it. And with $28, you cannot go wrong. Definitely use the coupon code. It's a 90% discount, which is fantastic. I ordered some stuff and it hasn't come in yet, but I want to talk about MAC. I think I got a lot of stuff from MAC. I purchased 3 blushes. First one is Style, a really bright coral color. I think this is perfect moving into spring. It's definitely not as bright when you like swatch it or when you apply it. I know it looks kind of intimidating in the pan, but honestly, it's kind of like the perfect peachy color with like a gold sheen. So it's really pretty. The next one, this is like one of the very first MAC blushes I've ever purchased, and it's called Prism. If you are looking for a nude rose blush, something that is like the perfect nude pink blush, nudie pink, I would think, it would be this. It's beautiful on the cheeks to sculpt the cheeks, contour. You can use it as a blush in your contour. I absolutely love this color. Last is Harmony. This is what I used today to sculpt out my cheeks. This is, I would say, more of like the rose, the nude rose. Prism's like the nude pink. A pretty neutral blush for ladies who are darker in skin tone, and then a really good contour for like light to medium gals, and I love it. I got Creme de Nude because I don't think I have it. Watch, I'll like go through my MAC lipsticks and I freaking will have it. That's like the worst. You don't own this nude, like where have you been for the past 20 years? It's legit like one of the best nudes to have in your collection. Okay, so I don't know what prompted me to buy this because I'm kind of over MAC palettes. Famous last words. But I think I saw Camila Cabello? No. Isn't she the singer? Who's the Camila girl on YouTube who's like Portuguese? My husband has to translate her videos. She has like an English channel and a Portuguese channel, and I watch her Portuguese channel a lot, but because my husband just sits there and translates it because he speaks Portuguese, so it's kind of nice. Love this palette. It comes with like a blush slash highlighter and all of these really pretty warm shades. There's metallic colors, there's mattes, and what's really cool about this is that everything's really good quality. This is a hit. I really like it. It's like $36 and you get all of these really cool shades. The thing I got, and I saw Babs Beauty talk about this again. I have a couple of things coming videos that I've been like watching. So she was talking about this and her like best bronzers of the year, and it's from Jade Jagger. It is such a pretty bronzer. So if you're looking for a matte slash shimmery bronzer, then this is the one for you because it has a matte side, it has a golden side, and mixing them together makes a really pretty warm bronze shades. I got one of the Tom Ford Lips and Boys collection. I don't know what it's called. Lips and Boys, Lips and Girls. This is Christopher. Oh, I love this shade. Like a, this is kind of like a brown mauve. No. This is like such a pretty like deep shade. It's like a kind of like a brown mauve plum, like a brown plum. Out of all the ones that I wanted, because I do think this is like a crock of shit to like basically charge you for a sample size, hence why I always call him a dickhead. But I did really like this color, and if it came in his large size, I probably would have bought it, and I just think it's perfect for, really for fall, but whatever. you can wear it year round, who cares? And I cannot wait to try this. This is the Fresh Lotus, the Fresh Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. So this had like a lot of fun claims. It basically claimed that it was going to hydrate, plump, exfoliate, detox the skin all in one. Sounds too good to be true, but we'll see. It helps to smooth and enhance suppleness, radiance, improve hydration, youthful complexion. We'll see. It's pretty weighty, very heavy, and that is what the packaging looks like. I think it's going to be a winner because I'm really digging fresh stuff. I want to like jewelry and clothes because I think I just finished makeup. I got this Kate Spade necklace. I love these initial necklaces. This is a very like inexpensive dupe for the ones that everybody wears, and I don't know the name of it, but I'm sure you guys know there's like ones that people wear, and I feel like this looks identical. Do you know what I'm talking about? That sounds so stupid, but I don't know the name. I got it from Nordstrom and I really like it. The next thing, and I don't know if this is sold out because this was on sale, but I love Gorjana, and they had these layering necklaces, and so I got one this. Okay, so this was $60 and I got it for like 23 bucks. I hope it's still on sale, but I will put the link below. I'll try to find it. It comes in silver and gold. I wish I got the silver, but I waited too long. It was sold out. And I just think that's really fun. Oh, my husband got me these sun-dry pants, and I really wanted camo leggings. And then, so he got me these camo dark ones I love, and they're extremely soft and comfortable. My friend Teresa had a pair, and so I wanted a pair, and I just absolutely love them. Then I got a pair from Express, and I don't know if these are even still in stock because they were like 40% off, but how cute are those? I love them. Got a pair of Paige denim, and what I love about these is like right along the sides it has some stripes, so I thought that was a fun thing to kind of break up the mundane like denim, destroyed, whatever. I mean, I feel like these stripes are kind of the latest and greatest thing. I also got another pair from Mother Denim, which I love, and see, I already got them hemmed. These, I think, these are high-waisted, and what I like about these is that these are just a kind of a gray color, and look at the sides. Yes. Also got this shirt from Lauren Moshi. I love Lauren Moshi and I love her stuff. I have a lot of stuff from her and Lauren Michael. I think they're owned by the same person. And look at this. This is really fitted and long, and what I love about it is that it has like, I love the stripes on the sides, and I just think it is so freaking, oh, I love it. That'll look really cute with those jeans. Really. Oh gosh. Okay, a couple other things. Sorry. Back it up. This look in the box from Nordstrom. I like love Mac's look in the box, Jack in the Box, and this is, and I got it in Endless Summer. So these are all the things that come in it. It has like 2 eyeshadows, not a full-size blush, but, and then a lipstick I don't own, a mascara, and a full-size liner. 2 eyeshadows, which is Take Tan. It's so pretty. That's almost like a rose gold. It almost looks like it's a brown, but it's not. It's like a really light rose gold. That's so pretty. Bright color. And then To the Beach. So these are all exclusive. Ooh, that is dupeable, but pretty. And then lastly, I wish this blush was full size. It's the only thing. Endless Sunshine. And that looks like it's like a nude pink. Yes. That is such a pretty like nude. Oh, I just messed it up. That's a really pretty nude pink. So that's awesome. Then you get a brown liner and a mascara. And I got this hat that's on sale. This was like 16 bucks. I just thought it was like a fun nylon nothing hat, whatever. It was a robe, and I love, this is from Chaser, and what I liked about this robe was that it is really thin, and the material is kind of like that cotton, like sweater material, and I just feel like that would be a really fun robe to wear, and it has like these bell sleeves. Super freaking cute. Adidas t-shirt. These are all like wrinkly. It's my second one. And then I also got this from Lulu's. I freaking love this. This is also from Chaser. But look at that. It's like a destroyed poison. Oh my gosh, who remembers Bret Michaels and Rock of Love? Like, I loved Bret Michaels, but the only song he ever sang was like Every Rose Has Its Thorn. I mean, he really didn't sing anything else except that one. Really fun sweater from Free People. I liked it because it was like frayed on the edges. And I liked the gray color and how long it was. Shoes from Chinese Laundry, and I like their shoes. If you guys have never heard of Chinese Laundry, everybody has, but they have really affordable shoes for like less than $60 usually. How much were these? Watch, it'll be like, they're $100. No, I didn't pay any more than 60 bucks for them. So I like it because the heel isn't like super big, and I just think that'll be really cute. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.